guys, we're back here at the lake where it all started. Here again to catch the fanciest Magikarp of them all. Previously, we got some pretty good catches, but we realized sometimes you need to update your fishing equipment. We're updating from an old rod to a super rod. And in some of our previous videos, you may have noticed that we opened a Paldea Evolve ETB. But today, we're going to open a full booster box. Before every video, Matthew eats a Boston cream donut.
Don't tell them my secret.
Okay, I won't talk about your secret.
More energy.
You'll keep your secrets.
This is where we first saw that pair of ducks.
Wait, it looks like ducks do walk out on the water. There's little footprints.
Duck prints.
Duck prints. I want to find the ducks. I think they're disappointed. Wait, somebody walked out here. Is that duck prints or is that dog prints?
That's human prints.
Those are dog prints. No, there's no duck. Can I walk on it?
This risky.
I'm scared to go further. I'm happy being on the edge.
Now what?
This way! This lake is icy. It's pretty though. Wait, I should draw a Cleffa that doesn't look like a Pikachu. Eee? Whoa! Wait. I don't really remember what she looks like right now.
No. Cleffa.
Does Cleffa have a tail? Look, the sock's still here!
I don't think I'm gonna highlight that.
Why'd you take a video of it? I could just say it. I could just say that the sock's there.
Yeah.
Hopefully, this is the upgrade that we needed. Let's go fishing. Wait, you can't shake cards. What am I doing? I think it's Christmas, so that's why I'm shaking things up.
I wonder what's in this box.
What's in this box? Is it a Magikarp?
Could be.
Doo-doo-doo-doo. A second. Oh no. Send help. There we go. Nice.
Nice.
Very nice. Okay. Oop. first pack. If you were a Pokemon, what Pokemon would you be?
That's a good question.
I think I want to be Celebi. Or like Charizard or something. Or Lugia. Lugia. He can swim underwater.
Squawkabilly.
Squawkabilly. Nice. Makuhika. Magikarp. Darn.
We're getting a lot of them.
I know. Maybe this is a sign.
They're biting.
Litleo. Slowpoke. Vigoroth. Pinchurin. Croclore. And a Wingull. And a Versal Energy. And an Earthworm. Okay. Shinx. Nimble. Mastiff. Slackoff. Therapeutic Energy. And a Choice Belt. And a Pommel. And another Choice Belt.
You have a choice of belts.
I choose neither. Toxicroak. And a Veluza. Rockruff. Ami. Larvitar. Dino. Graphii. Titan. Faulkner. Luxray. And a Tadbulb. And Ratska. Oh boy. I'm feeling sketched out.
Why? You think there's not going to be any?
I want a Magikarp so bad, but I feel like the packs are telling us no.
Any given pack. Just takes one.
Just takes one. Whooper! Pikachu. Cufant. Krogunk. Tinkatuff. Bravery Charm. Gothorita. Great Ball. And an Electrode. And a Tinkaton! That's pretty.
Tinkaton full art.
Nice. Oh boy. Sandygast. Tarantula. Murkrow. Mischievous. Dunsparce. Pessimian. Corviknight. Pyroar. And Oricorio. And Hydreigon. Okay, we got through half the pack. Magikarp. Nimble, Shinx, Rickety, Pikachu, Pelipper, Toxicroak, Fletchinder, Fuecoco, and a Bravery Charm, and
So this is a Saguaro booster box.
Yo! Look at
man.
him! He's a chef. Makuhita, Pinchurin, Dino, Magikarp, Flamigo, Paldean Tauros,
Ooh, there's something there.
Skiploom, Fallinx.
What is it going to be?
What's Squawkabilly EX.
Another SIR.
Nice. I really like this card.
Crazy.
I think it's so funny. All the birds are like, I feel like they're all like, squawk, 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 squawk. So I really like this card, actually. We also got an EX. So double hit.
Nice.
Squawk, 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 squawk. I imagine there's like a parrot in New Zealand. That's what Squawkabilly would be like. Slackoth, Watra, Fuecoco, Bramblin, Oranguru, Electrode, Vigoroth, Glimora, and a Tinkatuff.
That's so
Nice.
nice. Wow.
Tinkatuff smash. Okay, this time I checked.
So I think that means we have 1 or 2 more slots that could be Magikarp.
Magikarp. Please. I swear I'd be a good owner. You can splash all you want. Slowpoke. Oh. Litleo. Rockruff. Palmy. Dendra. Palisand. Raichu. Brambleghast. And Clavel. And Jumppuff. Okay, next pack. Cufon, Krogunk, Seatoddle, Shrewdle, Pinchurin, Crocklore, Grafii, Delibird, and Shinx, and Orthworm. I'm anticipating.
Oh, so excited for the Orthworm.
Dang it! No! Magikarp! I'd give you all the berries and the Pokeblocks. You'd be the most beautiful fish ever. I'd give you the biggest tank. You can have a whole pond. You can sit in this lake. Larvitar, Sandygast, Tarantula, Charcadet, Gothitella, Archback, Talonflame, Dendra, and Litleo, and Lokix. Okay. Phalanx, Jigglypuff, Tadpole, Girafarig, Sea Titan, Falconer, Dunsparce, Pinchurin, and a Falconer, and a Garganacl? Garganacl? Sad.
Garganacl.
Garganacl. Gargantuan salt.
Yes.
Garganacl. Garganacl. Okay, I'm done. Hopefully we don't get that next. Okay. Murkrow. Mischievous. Sneasel. Oop. Gothita. Giacomo. Heracross. And a Kilowattrel. And a Jet Energy. And a Meryl.
Meryl.
And Excalibur. And a Great Ball. Reller. Quaxley. Tinkatink. Pissimian. And a Corviknight. And a Survivor. Rockruff. And Fletchinder. And Boss's Order. Magikarp. I want to be a Magikarp girl. I'm your biggest fan. Meryl. Wingle. Pineco. Tinkatink. Azumarill, Eskew, Vespiquen, and a Jumpluff, and an Arctibax, and Abomasnow. Okay, next batch of cards. Tinchurin, Makuhita, Magikarp, May We Get Your Brother, Slowpoke, Paldeantaros, Luxio, Mabustiff, and a Fletchling, and a Charcadet, and Chi-U-EX. Okay, okay. Nice. Okay. Now we got a Mankey, Delibird, Love Disc, Snover, Iono, Nacklestack, Corvisquire, Iono, and a Tarantula, and a Veluza. Oh man, the stack's getting thin.
Maybe because we got 2 SIRs, there are fewer illustration rares. The sad part about getting 2 SIRs.
Okay, sorry, my leg. My leg! Ooh. Litleo, Rockruff, Palmy, Larvitar, Pupitar, Flamigo, Bombardier, Mischievous,
And
a Fuecoco, and Oricorio. Bro.
almost done. How many packs? 5 more chances. Right? So close, but so far. But it just takes 1 pack.
Magikarp, you have to save us all.
Imagine if one of these 5 is a Magikarp.
That would be wonderful.
The whole story arc is complete. Or
Magikarp, I love you. Believe in me.
the story arc is that we just grind until we die.
Oh my goodness. That's terrifying. Legender,
We'll find you one day.
Voltorb, Clavel,
Our dying breath.
Tropius, Mabustiff, and a Fighting Olay, and a Jet Energy, and a Therapeutic
And-
Energy, and
Spiders.
Spidops, and Jumpluff. Man. This
4
is
packs
tough.
left. But again, at least we have a nice pretty day. And
That's true.
despite the frozen lake, it is warmer.
It is warmer. That's true. Our cold off.
It's gone.
Dino, Sandygast, Tarantula, Murkrow, Skiploom, Dendra, Raichu, Murkrow, and a Nacli, and Glimora. Magikarp. Dunsparce, Hoppip, Whoopa, Noibat, Quackswat, Saguaro, Giraffe, Delivery Drone, and Meryl!
Okay, I'll take that.
Oh, look at that! Oh, Meryl's so cute. Wow, it's really pretty. That's a pretty card.
Mhm.
Meryl. Anybody behind? Nope. Palm up.
Palm up. He's somebody.
Okay, I need to sleeve this. I need to protect this card. I'm guess the Magikarp's unlikely. But I guess we'll get to see what's in these guys. Mischievous, Sneasel, Gothita, Mastiff, Palisand, Gothitelle, Artibax, and a Rookidee, and a Rellor, and
a Fortress!
Yes!
We got another one.
Nice.
I think that's our most pulled EX card.
Yeah.
We have like 4 or 5, yeah.
You know, plants. You know, they like me. I'm
That's
Ivy.
true.
I'm Ivysaur. No, wait, I'm not Ivysaur.
Not
I'm
Ivysaur.
I'm Ivy. All right, last pack, guys. Combee, Limit, Frigibax, Tandemaus, Zuelis, Spidops, and a Pyroar, and a Vespiquen, and a Abomasnow, and a
Wow.
EX!
I wasn't expecting that.
A full art.
Nice.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
I like Noibat.
We got 2 full arts in this one.
Noivern.
Noivern.
Whoops. Nice.
We got 2 full arts in this one. The Tinkaton and the Noivern.
Very nice.
No Magikarp, but a pretty good booster box.
This is our catch today. We got a Squawkabilly EX, Lycanroc EX, Copperajah EX, Chiyu EX, Fortress EX, and we got a Saguaro full art, and a Noivern full art, Noivern EX full art, and we got a Tinkaton EX full art, and here is our Tinkatuff illustration rare. And our Pyroar illustration rare. And our Marill illustration rare. Then, for our special illustration rare, we got Saguaro, and last but not least, we got our Squawkabilly EX special illustration rare. Thanks for joining us. Like and subscribe to follow us for more. See you next time.